How to use Tesla's autopilot. Advanced hands-free driving comes standard with new models. One of the most advanced hands-free driving systems is Tesla's autopilot. Every new Tesla comes standard with the carmaker's autopilot system, from the base-level Model 3 to the new Cybertruck. While the names imply that Tesla vehicles can operate fully autonomously, the company points out that these systems require the driver to remain engaged in vehicle operation, ready to take over immediately if necessary. The base-level autopilot operates similarly to a typical adaptive cruise control system. Once the driver sets the desired speed, the system will maintain that speed and can automatically slow to match the pace of a vehicle ahead. Steering assistance is also provided, helping to keep the car within the lane markers, assuming those lane markers are clearly indicated. Tesla vehicles come as standard vehicles with premium hardware that offers autopilot features and self-driving capabilities via software updates made to enhance functionality over time. Tesla vehicles come as standard vehicles with premium hardware that offers autopilot features and self-driving capabilities via software updates made to enhance functionality over time. The autopilot enables vehicles to steer, accelerate, and automatically brake in their lane. Tesla autopilot features need active driver supervision as they don't make the car fully autonomous. Tesla has leveraged artificial intelligence, AI and big data to grow its business. For AI, the company focuses on two major areas: AI-integrated chips and autopilot. For AI-integrated chips, Tesla is committed to creating AI-integrated chips to enable vehicles navigate through traffic and freeways. And for autopilot, Tesla designs it to enable vehicles steer, accelerate, and automatically brake in their lane. How does Tesla Autopilot AI work? The firm uses AI to comprehend and anticipate cars, cyclists, and pedestrians' next movements. The data helps Tesla decide on their moves in a second and choose what to do always. 8 cameras and powerful vision processing provide 360 degrees of visibility at up to 250 meters of range. To make sense of all of this information, our Hardware 3 onboard computer processes more than 40 times the data compared to our previous generation system. This computer runs the Tesla-developed neural net, which is the foundation for how we train and develop autopilot. This system provides a view of the world that a driver alone cannot access, seeing in every direction simultaneously, and on wavelengths that go far beyond the human senses. Autopilot advanced safety and convenience features assist you with the most burdensome parts of driving. Prepare to get your minds blown, because Tesla has announced that every Tesla in the US will get a free trial of FSD for 1 month starting later this week. Tesla is finally rolling out its full self-driving Beta V12 software, which CEO Elon Musk has referred to as mind-blowing, a term he has used for many other point releases of the software. The update has been anticipated for a long time, but like many Tesla updates, it has been delayed several months. FSD Beta V12 has significant back-end improvements to Tesla's learning algorithm, which now takes advantage of end-to-end neural nets. This means that decision-making can be determined based on deep learning from Tesla's massive amount of driving data, rather than having programmers code the logic themselves. The latest version of FSD, version 12.3.1, has been getting rave reviews, so much so that Tesla is going all in. The company is offering a free month of FSD to every new Tesla owner and instructing staff to install, activate, and take customers on a short test ride during vehicle delivery. However, later this week, Tesla will also offer all eligible current Tesla owners a free month of FSD. recorded using an Acaso Brave 7 action camera suction mounted to the glass roof of my 2023 Tesla Model Y.